Concept 14 is rational expressions. So in number 30, we're dividing rational expressions. So first step is to change this to a multiplication problem. When we divide fractions, we are multiplying by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now we need to factor as much as possible. So factoring the numerator here is 3x plus 1 times x minus 2. The denominator is a difference of squares, 3x plus 1 times 3x minus 1. The numerator of this, the GCF, greatest common factor, is 6. And the greatest common factor on the denominator here is 2. After factoring, we should look for factors that cancel. So these two factors cancel, these two cancel, as well as these two. So we're left with 6 divided by 2. So our answer is just 3. On 31, we are adding fractions. So remember, when we add fractions, we need to find a denominator that's common. So in order to do that with rational expressions, it helps to first factor the denominators completely. So the factorization of this denominator is x plus 7 times x minus 2. After factoring this, then it becomes very easy to tell how to turn both denominators into the same expression.
Just a reminder to please make sure you submit your attendance. Once again, please make sure you submit your attendance.
All right, so it's very easy to tell now that this denominator needs an x minus 2 being multiplied by the denominator, which means we also need to multiply the numerator of the second fraction by x minus 2. Now that we have a common denominator, we can simplify the numerators by adding them together. So 9 plus 1x minus 2. Which, if you combine like terms, becomes x plus 7 over x plus 7 times x minus 2. And canceling common factors leaves an x minus 2 in the denominator. Be careful not to write your answer as x minus 2, because there's a numerator still, which is 1. So our answer is 1 over x minus 2. Okay, lastly, in this section, number 32, we have to simplify this expression, and let's first square the entire expression. So negative 3 squared is 9, x squared. Y to the 4th squared, we need to multiply the exponent, so that's y to the 8th. Then the denominator we need to square also, so 36, which is 6 squared. X squared squared is x to the 4th, and y squared. Simplifying that, the 9 over 36 reduces to 1 over 4. We have 2 x's on the numerator, 4 in the denominator, so that becomes an x squared in the denominator. 8 y's in the numerator, 2 in the denominator, so there would be 6 left in the numerator. So our final simplified answer is y to the 6th over 4x squared.